Hey, I'm Max Phelan, CEO and co-founder of Cubios. You know it as a Wow Cube. It's been a while since I showed you the device last time, and we did a great progress actually. So let's have a closer look on the new one. This is the carton box. I'm opening it and I see the envelope inside, the $30 gift card, quick start manual, microfiber, and of course our magical Wow Cube. What is it? The device that looks like the 2x2 version of the Rubik's Cube and actually have the same mechanics. You twist it and rotate by 4 in a layer, but it covered with 24 high resolution screens and consists of 8 autonomous modules. By saying autonomous, I literally means that those modules are absolutely different independent computers that interacting with each other under our operation system called Cubios. The operation supports the integrity of those modules and allows objects stepping from one screen to another, from one side to another. So the icons you can see here in the cube is different games or applications. And to reveal the meaning of how it works and what is it for, let me show you a couple of them. But of course we have lots of examples on our website www.wowcube.com. If you're interested, you can go and check it there. So the first and very simple example of kids arcade game called Ladybug. We have the bug here, and bugs go through the path. You need to, by changing the geometry of the device, you need to build the path for the ladybug to prevent it falls out and collect all those berries. So the idea is that your battleground is entire surface of the cube. You're changing the geometry of the real object interacting with the digital world. So you have to hold it far from their eyes, on your arm's distance, and always think in 3 dimension, because bug can go through the cube, jump from one screen to another. It's developing as a puzzles and interesting as a video games. Oh, I lost. It doesn't matter. Again, once I shake it, it goes back to the main menu. The first and the easiest, well, not the easiest, but the simplest game in our platform called Butterflies. If I start this, it's very simple. It's same mechanics as the Rubik's, and you need to find the halves of the butterflies on the surface of the cube and assemble them to one. Of course, the first level is very easy, so just one butterfly. Once I do, it became alive. You see the statistics, the score. You can compete with your friends. We have a leaderboard. The cube is connected. One more twist, 2 butterflies. That is obviously more difficult. Again, we have many games, different genre, arcade, casual, classical, puzzles, maze. Just check it online. You'll be surprised. While you're not playing it, it turns to a multi-purpose tool. For example, you put it on a charging dock station near your PC and start the widget mode. You can use each of these 24 screens basically as you want. I'm showing the Bitcoin rate here, Tesla stock, Instagram pictures. You can link it to your Facebook or to your Google Street View. It turns to a digital photo frame, a digital weather station, or even it can be an element of decor. If you're child afraid to sleep in dark, we have the app that called Digital Aquarium. You put it on your nightstand near your bed, and you have the leaf fish inside it. You can tap the cube, feed the fish, that grows with time. We built the cube, we built the operation system, but we also made the software development kit, so everyone can download the software emulator for the cube and make his own games, upload to our store, or just for fun, like, you know, the father and son playing, sitting coding together. Beside the cube, we have the accessories. Those are protective pads, for example, silicone pads. You stick it on the surface of the cube, on the corners, and it's became more durable. That it's durable enough, but this looks like a bit more individual. We have the cover, wherever. So your kid will play games, period. If you take away the smartphone, the flat screen device from your kid, what should you give instead? You can give the toy that's same interesting as video games, but same developing as the puzzles, brain teasers, or improving his motoric, cognitive skills, the Wow Cube.